In this video, we will talk about how to get JV partners to say yes to your JV offer. Playing the JV game is all about trust and building credibility. If you do not have a mailing list yet, do not worry. All you need to do is create an awesome product. Start by creating a product that provides 10 to 20 times the value of what people are doing out there. If people are selling one product, creating a package with 10 to 20 times the magnitude will attract JV's attention. Price your commissions at 100% on the front end and 50 to 75% on the back end. The more compelling your commissions, the more likely JVs will want to promote you. Make sure you have as many funnels as possible. Have at least 2 to 3 upsells and maybe some downsells. You can even try and entice them with recurring memberships. Make sure you craft a very good affiliate sales page. Convince them while the EPCs will be good, and offer lots of prizes. Remember to give them lots of reasons why they should promote you, and don't be afraid to be persistent. In the next video, we will talk about building up your profile and credibility before approaching.